Mastering which in questions. Your guide to interrogative determiners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we'll be focusing on an important and commonly used interrogative determiner in English. The word, which. Our primary focus will be its usage in questions. So, let's dive right in. Which is an interrogative determiner we use in questions when we want to ask for specific information from a defined or limited set of possibilities. It is often used when the speaker has a particular set of options in mind. For example, which color do you prefer, red or blue? While which and what can both be used in questions, their usage can change the meaning subtly. What is used when the number of possible answers is unlimited or unknown, while which is used when the possibilities are limited and known to the speaker. For instance, you would ask, "What is your favorite color?" when you have no idea about the person's preference, but "Which is your favorite color, green or yellow?" when you're only interested in those two options. Let's look at some examples to better understand this concept. 1. Which book do you want to read for the book club next week? Here, the speaker is probably referring to a specific list of books. 2. Which flight are you taking, the morning one or the evening one? The speaker gives only two options for the listener to choose from. 3. Which teacher gave you this assignment? In this case, the speaker likely knows the teachers the listener has and is asking them to specify. Now, it's time for some practice. Try to form questions using which for the following scenarios. 1. You are in a restaurant, and you want to know if your friend prefers the pasta or the pizza. 2. You're at a car rental agency, and you want to know which car model your spouse prefers from a list you both have seen. 3. Your colleague has multiple meetings today. You want to know which meeting they found most useful. Pause the video here, write down your answers, and then resume to check your responses. Answers. 1. Which do you prefer, the pasta or the pizza? 2. Which car model do you prefer from the list we saw? 3. Which meeting did you find most useful today? That's it for today's lesson on using which in questions. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master this crucial element of English grammar. Remember, which is used when the options are limited and known. If the possibilities are unlimited, we usually use what. Hope this lesson clarified the concept for you, and stay tuned for more lessons in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Happy learning!